part of the process for most people is the first $100,000. If you have a standing start at zero, getting together $100,000 is a long struggle.
Einstein is reputed to have said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world or something like that. And
rule being, once you start to succeed at something, the probability that you will continue to succeed ever more rapidly increases. So there's an exponential function with regards to success.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a concept that can literally change the way you approach your goals and ambitions. I'm talking about the secret exponential curve for success. If you have ever felt frustrated because your hard work doesn't seem to be paying off, this video is for you. So stick around. By the end of this, you'll have a whole new perspective on a journey to success. Let's start with something we all can relate to, the pain of taking the first step. Whether it's building a new habit, launching a business, or just trying to get fit, the beginning is always the hardest. Imagine pushing a huge boulder up a steep hill. At first, it might feel like it's barely moving. You put in so much effort and yet it seems you're going nowhere. And here comes the point where most of the people try giving up. They don't see the results immediately, so they assume it's not worthy enough. But what if I told you that this initial struggle is not just normal but necessary for your success journey? Now let's talk about what happens after you have been it at a while. You have just started your journey, you are consistent, but weeks or even month passes and nothing. It feels like you are in this never-ending plateau. This is where most of the people throw in the towel. But here's the secret. This plateau is just an illusion and nothing else. Taking investing as an example, let's say you're investing 5,000 rupees a month to build up the first crore. It might take you 26 years, and during those early years, it feels like nothing is happening. But once the compound interest kicks in, the second crore could come in like 7 years of the time if you still stay invested and keep doing your work. So you see, when the plateau breaks, the results really start kicks in. And same applies to fitness, business, or even personal growth. This is where the magic of exponential curve comes in. After a certain point, if you are consistent, the results starts to show. And not just show, they just explode. It's like the boulder you were pushing, right? Suddenly, you are at the top of the hill and it starts rolling down to the other side, gaining momentum. What seemed impossible at the first is now happening with less effort and in less time. Let's talk about YouTube for instance. When you start, getting your first 100 subscribers feels like pulling teeth. You put out videos but barely gets views. But once you hit that tipping point, once algorithm starts noticing you, boom! Views, likes, subscribers, everything just starts to grow exponentially. The first 100 took months, but you know what? The next 1,000 might take you weeks or just 10 days. Or just think about learning a new skill. The first few weeks it might feel you are all thumbs. But after consistent practice, you suddenly hit a stride. And what was once hard becomes your second nature. The learning curve flattens out and the skyrockets as your brain rewires itself. Here's the takeaway. Consistency is your only best friend in this journey. The secret to exponential curve is not some hack or shortcut. It's about showing up every single day, even when it feels pointless. Because each small action compounds over time. Before you know it, you have built something massive. Incorporating a quote which goes like, "Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out." Think about companies like Amazon or Apple. They didn't start as the giants they are today. They went through years of slow, painful growth. But because they kept at it, their growth eventually became unstoppable. So if you're feeling stuck, remember that you are just in the early stages of your exponential curve. Keep pushing, keep showing up, because the rewards are coming. They are just around the corner, and when they do, they'll come fast and bigger than you have ever imagined. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe if you haven't already.